Welcome back to the channel, VST here at NSP Tech, and let's talk about the rumored Samsung Galaxy S26 new privacy screen, because it might be something bigger than you think. Before this, let me show you. This is my Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, nice and flashy. This is the Pixel 10 Pro. Take a look at this right now. This is a very huge lamp that is just glowing towards my screen. This is what you can see right on the screen of the S26 Ultra, and now this is on the Pixel, right? So you can see how much brighter this thing is. Now again, this is the S26 Ultra, and now again, this is the Pixel 10 Pro. What I'm saying is that the coating on the S25 Ultra was already very good, and I can tell you, specifically in bright sunny days, it really made a huge difference. And now the thing is, this phone has seen a lot of things, being on a lot of places, and I really tortured it. So I can tell you, this coating is not wearing off that easily. So apparently Samsung are gonna take this to the next level by offering a new privacy screen. And right now, as a lot of articles are saying, what is the buzzword around this? Now, the thing is, it's going to combine software with hardware to be able to protect your information while you're, let's say, out in the public, on transit, like in metro or in a bus. And in fact, I did dig a bit and I found out something interesting. Now look at this. Samsung's new privacy display, set to debut in the new S26 Ultra, is a significant departure from the static plastic film screen protectors, because yes, a lot of them exist right now, so you can buy a privacy screen protector and put it on your screen. But honestly guys, I'm not using any screen protection on the screens already because I'm in Gorilla Glass, right? Why should I put something else there? I mean, probably if you go for screen protection, this might be the case. I don't want to do this. But the thing is, now with this new feature for privacy, you probably will not need to buy an additional privacy screen protector. But how is this thing working? Because it's not purely like a software gimmick thing, as the coating before was of course also a hardware, like a specific layer that was put on the phone, and it was reducing glare. Pixel level hardware integration. So unlike software only dimming ups, the S26 Ultra utilizes the new M14 OLED panel and a technology Samsung are calling the Flex Magic Pixel. It seems that the screen hardware includes a specialized controllable layer within the Pixel stack that you can activate in certain areas. So let's say notifications, or maybe just for a certain application, maybe for your banking or one of your payments app. There's so many out there. When activated, it physically narrows the view angle of the light. Directional light control: by modifying how light exits the display at a pixel level, the screen remains bright in color, accurate for you, which means that if you're looking at the phone like this, you're probably gonna see everything. But if you start twisting left and right, the person on the subway who is not your friend looking behind you, yeah, he's not going to be able to see this. And they're saying that the image is going to be obscured to someone looking from a 30-degree angle or more. And believe it or not, this technology is not so new. So it seems there is a video for someone, I'm going to leave the link down below in the description. This guy already showcased, like, 1 year ago, how this privacy technology works. So the Samsung Flex Magic Pixel. Take a look at this screen. You see what happens? The moment you start to move in left and right, it gets completely dark. It's completely dark, and 30-degree angle, it's not as big, right? So the moment you just go and center yourself, boom, you have your content. But imagine you're doing some sensitive things in the subway, or maybe you don't want the people to see what you're looking at. The moment they start glare behind your shoulders, no chance. This was presented at the MWC 24, so this video is almost like 1 year old. This is the channel that released the video, and apparently there was also like an ad, like Samsung ad on this, how they're doing it. And it's pretty crazy. So what I'm saying is, yeah, don't expect like too many groundbreaking changes in Samsung S26 Ultra design, or probably camera or stuff like this. Besides the obvious stuff, we're gonna get the latest Snapdragon Gen 5. But hey, you know, there are some nice things. And honestly, Samsung, they are the display professionals, you know, with BOEs. They know how to do displays. I think this is going to be a cool feature. And again, it's a feature that is using hardware with software, you know, to bring the end functionality. It's definitely a quality of life improvement. I don't think it's going to be just a gimmick. As much as the coating on the S25 Ultra was not a gimmick at all. Take a look at this. Again, this is the Pixel, and you can see, imagine this, that's the sun, blows through the whole display. display, and you can see how much more contained this is on the S25 Ultra. So I'm just looking forward to get this functionality. Flex Magic Panel. There you go. Stay safe. VST over and bye.